Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. So today's recipe is of a summer cooler, which is the Aam Panna or the Keri Panna. This is made out of raw mangoes during the summer season in northern parts of our country. Now this Aam Panna is known to have resistive properties against the strong summer heat. Along with this, it is also considered as a tonic, which helps to provide resistance against cholera or dysentery, which are pretty common during the summer season. So watch out the recipe and do try this at home because it's the season. The ingredients to make Aam Panna are as follows. Now here I've taken 2 small raw mangoes. You can substitute this with 1 big raw mango. Along with this, roasted cumin or jeera powder, dry pudina powder, black salt, or you can take the normal salt, sugar and black pepper. Now I'm going to boil these raw mangoes in a pressure cooker and take 1 whistle and proceed further. So here I'm making this for a serving of 2, which is why I've taken 2 glasses of water. Now I'm going to mash these raw mangoes so that all the pulp comes out of this. This is the reason we first pressure cooked it in 1 whistle, and now we're going to mash it. And it's going to be very easy to remove the pulp. So this is how we're going to do it, and we're going to throw the seeds away just like this. Once all the pulp is removed, we are going to add around 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar. To this we are going to add around half a tablespoon of roasted cumin powder. Along with this we are going to add half a tablespoon of dry pudina powder and approximately 3/4 tablespoon of black salt or normal salt. To add some spice to this, we are going to add a pinch of black pepper powder. Addition of a pinch of red chili powder will give an amazing flavor to this. Stir it well and store it in the fridge for about an hour or so until it cools down completely. The Aam Panna is now ready. Top it up with some ice and serve it cold. Enjoy this drink in the summer season and the season of mangoes. Subscribe to my channel and share it along. Stay safe. Thank you.